Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be working with a couple of items. I have here the Quiet Meadow bundle of products. This is the Quiet Meadow stamp set and the meadow dies that coordinates with it. You can purchase these in a bundle and save 10%. However, today we won't be using these dies. We're just going to use the stamp set out of that bundle, but I am going to pair it with the Picture This dies. These dies are standalone in the catalog, so they don't have any particular stamp set that they go with. You can use them with whatever stamp set you want. So this is what we're going to be using today. And before we get started on our project, of course, we are going to go over the buzzworthy business. So we're going to start off with the Connect, Craft, and Collect $25. This is where you purchase $250 worth of product or have party sales of $250 before sales, tax, and shipping. And you'll earn an extra $25 in host rewards. Host rewards equals free product. Okay, so you have until June 14th to take advantage of this particular promotion. And our June monthly host code is here. It can always be found on my blog or on my Facebook page at honeybeestampinghive.com. Facebook is just Honeybee Stamping Hive. Okay, and I don't have the new flyer for the new paper pumpkin kit, but you can always find that information on my blog. I have at the top across the in little bars you can click on that says paper pumpkin. You can always click there and find out the latest news with the paper pumpkin. I would love to have you sign up for the paper pumpkin, and you can do that in the description below. I have links for the paper pumpkin kit, to join my team, which I would love to have you on my team of Hivers, and also have links to whatever blog post that coordinates with this project. Okay, so let me start by showing you a project that I shared. I believe it was on Monday. I shared this card that I made with the Picture This dies and the Quiet Meadow stamp set, and I basically just colored the a piece of basic white using the blending brushes and some ink. I used Daffodil Delight, Just Jade, and Fresh Freesia. And then I colored all over it with Wink of Stella. Oh, it's so pretty. But we're going to use the circles that I cut out from there to make our card today. Okay. So I have a card base here at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, and this is Gorgeous Grape. Get my bone folder here and burnish that a little better. Then we have some Daffodil Delight, and I believe this is 4 by 5 1/4, and then some basic white, which I cut at I believe an 1/8 smaller than the Daffodil Delight. My brain is not working right now. I can't think of the measurements. I need some scratch paper. You guys, I got bored one day sitting on the phone talking to someone, and I just colored all over my scratch paper, but that's it. We're going to use that. So we're going to start by putting some dots all over this. Where's the stamp set? I just had it to show you. So we're going to be using this little dottage image right here. Okay, that's what I'm gonna start with, and I'm going to use the same colors that we did on the front of the other card. So let's start with our Daffodil Delight. I'm gonna start with my lightest color, and I'm just going to stamp this all over, just twisting the stamp as I go. Let's get some Fresh Freesia. That should be good there. And then we'll go in with the last color of Just Jade. Okay. And we'll fill in the rest of the color there with the Just Jade. Yes, I'm using more of Just Jade because I like the darker color around the edges since our background is going to be a lighter color. And I think that'll look good. In my mind, it does anyway. Okay, so that's good. So we're done with this. Then we're going to stamp some images. So let me pull out our circles. So here are all the circles that were die cut from that other card. So those backgrounds are already colored. And like I said, I just took my blending brush. Let me show you those. But I just take the blending brushes with the coordinating colors and I just rubbed it on, okay? Oh, we almost missed a circle there. So we're gonna stamp some images on these circles. This is just a scrap of copy paper. This will look better so you can see what I'm doing. So we're gonna get some Tuxedo Memento Black ink. And we're going to stamp some images. So on our largest circle, I'm going to stamp the top portion of this flower. You see the block is way too small, but I'm only stamping on the top portion of it. So I'm not worried about the block being too small because I don't need it to support the rest of it. I just want to try to get as much, let me see, do I want the yellow at the top? Yes. Much of this in here as possible. Oh, that's cute. So we'll have that. I think I want to do another one of those. I like that. And we'll do this one more off to the side to try to get a little different image there. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Then we're going to take this big flower here, stamp it on this circle. Just like that. Then we have one of the small flowers. This is not the smallest, but it's one of the small ones. Whoop. I'm trying not to press down too hard because I didn't want it to be that dark. Let me see. You know what? I think I'm gonna stamp the other ones because I want to stamp this some more. Let me clean this off. I don't know where I put my simple, what is it? Simply Chamois? I don't know where I put it. So I can't properly clean my stamps. I want to stamp this one in Just Jade. Let's do that one here. Oh yeah, I like that. Let's do a couple on this. Just make it like a background. Okay, I like that. I probably should have done the other color that I wanted to use first because it is lighter. Let me see. Let's do the Fresh Freesia. And we'll do the same thing, just do a lot of them around. It's not a lot, but you know, a couple. There we go. I think that's cute. And now on this one, I want to put our sentiment. And I think I want to do it in black. And the sentiment that we're going to be using is the word love. And let me see. This is not on there very straight. And I want to make sure this is kind of straight, because you guys know me and straight, they don't go together very well. So just going to stamp that right there. Oh, that's pretty. Right there next to the flowers. So now we have all the stamping done. Let's get everything out of the way and we can put our card together. So I have my liquid adhesive here, and I'm going to go ahead and put my layers together. just gonna add this right to the Daffodil Delight layer. This is pretty. I like this background, man. See how that the dark colors around the edges make the yellow pop more? I like that. Okay, so we're going to, this one, maybe should, let me see. I'm gonna try to set it up just the same way they have it. What do you guys think? Should I stamp more? I think I'm gonna stamp some more on this one, so it'll look like the others. Let's get the black out and put some more black flowers on here. Whoop, that one didn't come out too good. Okay, that's good. Close that up so we won't make a mess. And so this one will go there. And trying to think, I think I want to pop these up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and glue this to our base, and I'm gonna use dimensionals to pop up all the rest of the circles. That's what I want to do, because I want some dimension to this card. It's opening right, yep. So let's go ahead and pop this on here. Try to get it straight. Get out some dimensionals, and we're gonna just pop everything up. Just like that. Pop everything up. So let's see here. Let me see, how did we have it set up? So let's put our I think I want to do it, yeah, do it like that. Okay, so let's just take off our dimensional backings and get everything set into place. Easy peasy. Okay, so that's that. I also want to add some Wink of Stella. So I got my clear Wink of Stella brush here. Let me get my scrap paper back in, because I want to get this. Whoop, see, that's why I got the scrap paper. See how much came out? Oh my goodness. I don't want that much on my project. I just want to color a couple of the flowers. That's still a lot. Okay, that should be good. I just wanted to dab it on the flowers here to give them a little bit of interest. Okay, let me try to get this off. I don't want too much on these smaller flowers. There we go. That's all we needed that for. Let me move this out of the way. And we're gonna add some bling, and that'll be it. Just like the other card, I used the Artistry Bloom, the sequence from the Artistry Bloom. These are, what colors? Calypso Coral, Mango Melody, Rich Raspberry, and Coastal Cabana. But I like the way this looks with this, so we'll just add a few here and there, just randomly around on the card, just to give it some extra shimmer. Put one right here on that little blotchy looking flower. Different sizes. Yeah, that's cute, I think. think that'll do. That is our card. What do you think? Yay or nay? I like it. And that is the using the circles from this card here. Yep, I like it. Okay, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.